Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing higher on Thursday, lifted by shares in semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, household and personal products, and technology hardware and equipment sectors. On the economic docket, initial jobless claims slightly improving to 263,000 in the week ended August 27th, continuing claims increasing to 2.16 million in the week ended August 20th. The Bloomberg Consumer Comfort Index falling to 43.4 in the week ended August 28th, while U.S. manufacturing PMI lowering to its lowest read since June 2016 to 52 in August. We also had ISM manufacturing in August falling to 49.4 and construction spending remaining stable in July. A lot of reports paving the way for decliners to be just ahead of advancers as 54% of SP500 constituents traded lower yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Broadcom posting third quarter LPS of 75 cents versus an EPS of 84 cents last year on net revenues of $3.8 billion. Net loss falling to $315 million from a net income of $240 million in the previous year. Meanwhile, Lululemon Athletica unveiling second quarter diluted EPS of 39 cents with net revenues of $514.5 million. And moving on, we also did have Cooper Companies reporting that third quarter adjusted EPS jumping 17% year over year to $2.30 on revenue of $515 million. That's up a total of 11%. Turning overseas in Asia, the HSI index gaining 0.45% and the Nikkei ending flat and the CSI 300 slightly up. European markets are trading mostly in the green and U.S. futures calling for a slightly higher open. In terms of expectations today, there are no major news on the earnings front, but on the economic docket, 8:30 in the morning, we have the July trade balance as well as August change in private payrolls, the August unemployment rate, as well as August average hourly earnings. Meanwhile, at 10 o'clock in the morning, July factory orders due out, and we also have durable goods, the final read for the month of July. Now, taking a look at the markets, the SP 500 sees consolidation, the relative strength index lacking upward momentum, so short positions below 2176 are favored with targets at 2152 and 2145 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, seeing consolidation, short positions below 4795 are preferred, and the Dow Jones also seeing consolidation, short positions below 18,450.